gonna show you guys how to use the Rosie's Bobbin Speed Winder Insert, which is a lot of words for a really great little thing. So basically all you need is the insert here. It's got a little chuck on the end that goes into your electric drill. And then of course you need a bobbin and then some yarn to wind onto your bobbin. So very easy. Just open up the little clamps on your drill and you stick it right in just like any other bit that you would use on your drill. And then tighten it down, just like that. Make it nice and tight, make sure it doesn't fly off. Then you'll take your bobbin and slip it onto the insert and then give it a little push and make sure it's on there nice and tight. So now what you have effectively is a bobbin winder. So now you just take your yarn and you loop it around. And I'm not gonna do any ties or anything, I'm just gonna loop it around so it catches. And then, off we go. And it's that easy. So you can go slow, you can go fast, but this is a quick and inexpensive way to have a bobbin winder at home. So that is that.